Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope that you are doing great. And today's video will be about Unit 6 in the rainforest. So, like we always do before we start anything, before we do anything, before we learn anything, we always pray. So, let's pray. Now let's find page 72. We will see activity 1. Look at the scene. Nah, kita masih ingat dong pastinya anak-anak di sini siapa saja? Ya, ada Sam dan kawan-kawan. So, where are they? Di mana mereka? Yap, sesuai dengan judul ataupun topik dan tema kita kali ini, mereka ada di in the rainforest. They are in the rainforest. What animals can you see? Do you remember them? Kalian masih ingat? Harusnya sih ingat ya. Kita telah pelajari di semester pertama. Okay, let's do activity 1. Listen. Dengarkan, juga perhatikan.
Unit 6. In the Rainforest. Track B45. Page 72. Activity 1. Listen.
Where are we?
Wow! It's a rainforest. Phew! It's hot.
Where's Madly Cool? Is he here?
I can't see him. Hey! That monkey has my baseball cap. Wait, where's Ruby?
There she is, on the bridge. She's scared. Help! I don't want to fall in the river. Meow. What a pretty bird.
Come on, everybody. Let's go. I'm sure Madly is in the hut.
Yoo-hoo! Madly! Where are you?
Okay, now I have some questions for you. Questions number 1. Can the children see Madly Cool? Number 2. Who is on the bridge? Number 3. Is she happy? Number 4. Who has Sam's hat? Number 5. Does Cleo like the bird? Nah, agar lebih seru, siswa-siswi yang mampu menjawab dengan cepat dan tepat sebelum jam pelajaran selesai, baik di kolom komentar video YouTube ataupun kolom komentar materi bahasa Inggris di Google Classroom, Mr. Evan akan berikan tambahan poin untuk nilai PTS kalian. So, go answer them. Jadi, silahkan dijawab sekarang. Okay, now let's go to activity 2. Listen and say. Dengarkan lalu ucapkan. Dengan suara yang lantang, itu lebih bagus.
Track B46. Page 72. Activity 2. Listen and say. A.
Hut,
B.
bridge,
C.
nest,
D.
waterfall,
E.
valley,
F.
mountain,
G.
vines.
So those are features in a landscape, especially in rainforest. Jadi itu tadi beberapa hal yang biasa kita temukan dalam sebuah pemandangan di hutan hujan atau rainforest. So, if you did activity 2 properly, you'll be able to do activity 3 perfectly. So, let's do activity 3.
Track B47. Page 72. Activity 3. Listen and write T equals true or F equals false. 1.
What's that? It's a hut.
2,
Is it a mountain? Yes, it is.
3,
I can see a bridge.
4,
There's a waterfall.
5,
There's one house.
Track B48, page 73. Activity 4. Listen and chant.
Where's the gorilla?
It's over the mountain.
Where's the monkey?
It's across the river.
Where's the crocodile?
It's near the river. Where's Madly Cool?
He's between you and the hut.
No, he isn't. Who are you trying to fool?
Okay, students, so these songs give you the example of how to ask where things are located. So, when you don't know the locations of something, you will use or you will ask where, where's the gorilla? When you don't know the locations of the gorilla, you will say and you will ask, where's the gorilla? When you don't know the locations of the monkey, you will ask, where's the monkey? And also, where's the crocodiles? And where's Madly Cool? And this is how you answer. So when someone asks you, where's the gorilla? You will answer using, it's over the mountain. It's across the river. It's near the river. Or when someone asks you, where is Madly Cool? You will use, he is between you and the hut. We use he is here because Madly Cool is the name of a person or a name of human. So we use his. We use this for single or if it's only one, a crocodile, a monkey, or a gorilla, we use it. But when it's more than one, so you will use where are. Yep, we're using are. Where are the gorillas? And you also add s. Where are the monkeys? And here how you answer the questions. They are over the mountain. They are near the river. We use they are. So this is the example. Can you see the gorilla? I cannot see the gorilla. So I will ask, where's the gorilla? And the boy will answer, it's over the mountain. You see? Okay, next. I want to know the locations of the monkey. So I will ask, where's the monkey? And the boy will answer, it's across the river. That's how you ask and answer about the locations of only one monkey or one gorilla. But if you want to ask about something more than one, maybe two monkeys or two gorillas, you will say, where are the gorillas? The boy will definitely answer, they are over the mountain. You see, we have two gorillas here, so we use where are the gorillas? And the answer will be there. We use there. They're over the mountain. And here also the other example. Where are the monkeys? They're across the river. Where's the crocodile? It's near the river. Where's Madly Cool? He's between you and the hut. But this is only a joke. This is not Madly Cool actually, but this is Madly Cool. So from those examples, I'm sure now you know that this is over and this is across. near, the hut is near the river. And this one, the river is between the hut and the waterfall. And you can look at the top of page 73. Look.
Track B50, page 73. Look.
Where's the hut?
It's over the mountain. Where are the huts?
They're across the bridge. Where's the hut?
It's near the waterfall. Where are the huts?
They're between the mountain and the lake.
Okay, now prepare your pencil and let's do activity 5.
Track B51, page 73. Activity 5. Listen and number. Number 1.
Where's Ruby? She's between the crocodile and the monkey.
Number 2.
Where's the monkey? It's across the river.
Number 3.
Where's the hut? It's near the waterfall.
Number 4.
Where are the monkeys? They're over the mountain.
Oke, ini adalah tugas nomor 2. Silakan lakukan karaoke, kemudian direkam dan di-upload ke Google Form. Dengan sedikit dirubah liriknya pada bagian kedua, yaitu Where are the monkeys? They are across the river. Jika kalian memerlukan file audionya, Mr. Irfan telah lampirkan di postingan Google Classroom dan melalui WhatsApp wali kelas.
Track B49, page 73. Activity 4. Listen to the music and chant.